Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Samsung Smart TV not showing Wi-Fi networks. Let's go. Open Smart Hub. Settings. All settings. General. Network. Open network settings. Find your Wi-Fi network. If only your network is not here, there is a problem with your Wi-Fi. If it's empty at all, then open network, reset network. If it didn't help, then general, reset, enter PIN, set up the TV again. That's it. Now you know how to fix Samsung Smart TV not showing Wi-Fi networks. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.